Get ready for something different. Get ready for the most intense flavor battle where everything happens in seconds and every decision counts.
Welcome to Snack Off.
Participants from Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. 4 styles, 4 ways to compete. Each one has their own recipe, their story, their way of facing the kitchen.
Di dapur ini, aku tidak ragu. Aku tahu apa yang kulakukan.
I cook from the heart. That's what matters.
ทุกอย่างต้องแม่นยำไม่มีที่พลาด
Tôi rất vui với món ăn của mình, hy vọng ban giám khảo sẽ thích.
Time is running out and everything is on the line. Here, every detail matters. Every dish can make the difference. The world is watching, reacting, sharing every moment. There are no second chances.
Only one will stand out. Only one will surprise.
This is Snack Off. Who will be the winner?